guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I come to you guys with this look right here. If you guys like this look, make sure to stay tuned. The look is about to follow, and if you are new here, hi, I'm Fazana. Make sure you subscribe to my channel after you finish watching the videos. I do 2 videos a week, and yeah, that's about it. If you guys like this look, make sure to watch this video. So I've already done my brows and my base as usual with the plouise base. So I'm going to go in with my Makeup Geek palette right here. Haven't got this out for quite a while now. It is one of my favourite palettes. Makeup Geek eyeshadows are awesome. I don't know why people have stopped talking about them, but here they are. So I'm going to be doing a green smoky eye for you guys today. So first of all, I'm going to set my brow bone to the crease with Vanilla Bean. And this one is just an accuracy flat angle brush. Going with Bake Sale, right? I'm going to get a fluffy brush. So this one is just a tap and blending brush. So what's everybody do for Christmas? I don't celebrate Christmas, but I thought I'd give you guys some tutorials so whoever is celebrating it can use, and they're also great for party makeup. So this one has blown out this whole shadow, and that's what we're going for. So I'm now going to take the blank canvas E26 brush. I'm going to go in with this shade right here, which is Dirty Martini. And I'm going to put that in the crease and the outer corner, starting off here. So I want most of it here. Go in circular motions on the outer V. So I'm going in circular motions. Right now I'm just concentrating on the outer V, and then gradually I'm going to swoop it in. So I'm just picking up colours and layering them until I am happy with what I have. I'm going to look down and take it along. Just keep building it up until you are happy with what you've got. So now I'm going to take the plouise base, number 2. I'm going to put it on my concealer brush. And I'm not going to cut it all the way through. I'm just going to tidy up this part. Actually, I am going to cut it all the way through. So it's not a complete half cut crease, and it's not a cut crease. I've just brought it all the way up here. I'm going to do the same on the other eye. So I'm going to go back in with Dirty Martini and my blending brush again. I'm just going to go over there and go in circular motion. Pick up my fluffy brush again, go back in with Bake Sale. Add it to the edges here. So now I'm going to go in with Venom by Makeup Geek again. I'm going to pick that up with my finger. So that's what it's looking like. I'm going to tap that on to the edge. So it's not the V, but a tip of where the green meets the concealer. And bring it in. So it's going diagonally. Pick up Dirty Martini again with the same brush I used earlier. I'm just going to tap that on and blend these two together. So the brush is like that and we're going like that. Next I'm going to pick up Jester and put that right next to Venom. So I'm going to pick it up with my finger. I'm going to pick up the Zoeva 234 brush. So I'm going to pick up Vanilla Bean and I'm going to put that along where I haven't put on any shadow. I'm now going to go in with Magic Act, and I'm going to pick it up on a Zoeva Luxe pencil brush. Add that to the inner corner and take it along on top of the crease a little bit. Go back in with Venom where I had placed it before. Pick up Dirty Martini again. Just press it in and wiggle it about so it blends out on the edges but doesn't blow out too much. So I've corrected my face with the Elegel Pro Concealer. So it's this one right here. And this is in the shade Peach correct. And today I am going to use a foundation that I have not used for a very long time, and that's the Armani Luminous Silk Foundation. Don't know how this will look with my foundation brush because it never used to look very good with the beauty blender, and it looked great with the Real Techniques sponge. So I don't know how it's going to look with the foundation brush, but my foundation brush is amazing. It is a bit too light for me. I have gotten darker to use it because I did buy it and I have not been using it. So not because I don't like it, but because it's a bit too light for me, this shade now. So for concealer, I'm going to go in with the Laura Mercier Flawless Fusion Concealer, and this is in the shade 2W. It is quite light for me, but I need to use it. So, but actually it's looking quite dark right now, so it might be okay. And let's see how this applies with a brush, because with the sponge it used to get cakey around my nose. So let's see how it goes. It looks good. I'm actually really liking this concealer now. I wasn't really much of a fan of it before because I found my NARS was better, and it is, but I'm starting to like this now. I'm setting with the Laura Mercier Translucent Setting Powder, and I'm just setting the under eyes for now because I will be going into my eyeshadow first and then do the rest of my face. This concealer I would recommend using with a brush. This is the Primark Kabuki HD Kabuki brush, which is amazing. I've already told you guys. And I'm using the BH Cosmetic. It's my Ray Ray brush in number 4 to put on the setting powder. It said that you don't need to set this concealer, so I have not tried it without setting it, and I probably would never try it without setting it anyway because it's just a force of habit. I'm going to go with Bake Sale again. I'm going to pick it up on a blank canvas E10 brush, and then I'm going to go in with blank canvas E27 brush, and I'm going to go in with Dirty Martini. Pick up the pencil brush again and go in with Magic Act again. I'm just gonna bring it down to the lower lash line, so the inner corner of the lower lash line. I'm gonna pick up Iconic London Illuminator in Original, and I'm gonna apply that to my cheekbones. Take it on to the brow bone as well, and up here on the temple, right here, with whatever's left on your finger. So I've done this cheekbone as well. I'm gonna do my nose area. I'm gonna put one here, and on here, and here. Okay, I'm gonna use my finger to I will contour, but I'm only going to contour my cheekbones and maybe the temples. And I'm going to take the Freedom London palette again, and I'm using this one. So this is the Pro Strobe palette by Freedom London. I'm going to tap off the powder because I want a really light contour, and I'm using the Morphe M405 brush. I'm going to press a lot in here and then brush it out to the temples. So first, go in with a really light hand, tap off all the excess powder, and then go in back again to the palette and press it in here, and then blend it all out again. And then with what's left on your brush, I'm using the Rio Techniques brush, powder brush for the bronzer. And I'm concentrating it more on the outer parts of my face. And then with what's left, I'm going to go in to the cheekbones. For the nose, I'm going to go in with the JD Rady 180 brush and pick up that same colour here. And tap it off, and I'm going to take it here. So I want the contouring to be really light and minimal. So I've got a bump here, so I'm going to contour that part. I'm not contouring this part of the nose. I'm contouring here because it's quite pointy down here. And what's left, I'm going to tap it on the border of my nose. And then with the brush, there's no more powder left on the brush. I'm just rubbing it along. So now I'm going to set the rest of my face, and I'm keeping setting to a minimal. Okay, so now I'm going to take the bake off. I'm going to outline with the Lancome crayon noir. Mascara, I'll be using my normal leather black colosal. So for lashes, I'll be using Flutter lashes in the style F01. I'll put them on and I'll come back to you. So for the blush, I'm going to go with Gingerly by MAC. For highlight, I'm going to go into the Carnival XL Pro palette because I hadn't used their highlighters, so I'm going to try that out now. I'm going to use this one right here, which is called Fairplay. Ooh, that's so gold. Ooh, I love this. The camera's not picking up, but it's so golden. I love this highlighter so much. Okay, so for the lips, I'm going to line my lips with the Natural Collection lip line in Cinnamon. So I'm going to use Stripped by Anastasia. So this is the liquid lipstick, and I'm going to put that on the center and then use a brush to blend it out. So I've applied NYX London over the cinnamon lip liner because it wasn't looking so great. It's always the lips that mess it up for me. Guys, this is the end of this tutorial. I hope you guys enjoyed this look. It's perfect for Christmas Day. Just like my other tutorials, perfect for any kind of party looks. But yeah, here it is. I hope you guys enjoy it. Make sure to give me a thumbs up. Bye for now.